So let's understand the problem. The problem states that two blocks of equal mass m are tied to each other through a light string, and one of the block is pulled along the line joining them with a constant force F. Find the tension in the string joining the blocks. This is all it says. Now whenever you encounter the word light string, you have to remember the mass of the string is negligible as compared to the mass of the block m. Okay, this is the first assumption. You always remember mass of string much less than the mass of block. Okay, now first you have to understand the problem. There are two blocks A and B which is of equal mass, and it is actually supported by or tied by a rope or a light string, okay, which has tension. Suppose I consider T. Okay, now you are pulling that block along the line along this line by a force F. Okay, and what is the thing they want to know? They want to find out the tension in the string joining the two blocks. That is, they want to know the value of T. The first thing we will do is to find out the free body diagram. That is one of the very important thing we have to do. Right, now if you draw the free body diagram of A, this is the free body diagram of A. You have to free the surface. You have a floor in that. You have to free the surface and draw the body and draw all the forces which is acted upon the body. Okay, first is that the force with which it is being pulled, that is F, and also on the other side you have a tension. So if you are trying to draw it, then this tension in that wire is pulling away from the body. It is acting away from the body. So you have to draw it in the free body diagram. Similarly, that it has some mass. So due to gravity, this mg will be acting downward, and you know that it is actually fixed in space. It is not going up and down. So the force is balanced. So definitely there will be some reaction force by this tabletop or maybe that floor, which is actually balancing this mg, and that will be Ra. So you know that that is the summation of forces in the y direction. It is the y direction, suppose, will be 0, and that's what we get is Ra equal to m into g, that will be equal to 0. But you have to really appreciate the force in the net force in the x direction is not 0, because that's why you are pulling a force and this system is moving with some acceleration. Okay, now so what will be the equation in that direction? So this force which is acting in that direction, that will be acting in this side. Suppose if we consider this as a positive direction, so the force will be acting for the block A will be in this direction. Similarly, if you are interested in drawing the tension which is acting on the block A, then that will be acting in the opposite direction, because it acts away from the body. But these two forces which is acting on the body is actually responsible for an acceleration. So the net force, whatever it is due to the force and the tension, will bring about an acceleration in the body. That will be equal to m into A. That is the acceleration of this system with which it is moving. Right. Similarly, as it is moving, you can also have the acceleration of the wires, but as the mass of the string is negligible, so we are not considering the acceleration of the strings. Okay, so this is the first equation that we encounter. F minus T, it will be equal to ma. Similarly, we will draw for the free body diagram for the B. This is the B, right? And for the B, we will try to see that what are the forces which is acting on it. One is the tension, because in this side we have tension. When you free the body from all the surfaces, then you see this, if you cut it, then you will see the tension is acting away from the body. So that's why we have draw it here, right? Similarly, it has some mass, so mg will be acting downward, but it is not moving in the vertical direction, so definitely there will be some reaction force which is balancing it, that is provided by the table or maybe the floor. Okay, so that will be RB. So that's how it is getting balanced in the y direction. Okay, that is RB equal to mg. Now what about the force in that x direction? Okay, this is the x direction. What is the force? So whatever tension it is acting, because the system is moving in this direction due to the application of some force F. So what will happen, that tension will be responsible for the acceleration of the system B. So T will be equal to mg, because there are no other forces which is acting on the system, so only tension, and this tension will be responsible for the acceleration of the mass of the system B, right? The T equal to ma, this is the second equation. Now these two equation, if you solve it, then you will get like F equal to 2ma, or if you do a little bit of playing around, then A will be like F by 2m. Like if you put that equation, this like T equal to ma here into here, because ma is actually T, so from this you can conclude what? F equal to 2T. And we can also say that tension in the string between A and B will be what? Would be F by 2. Okay, that is what the answer that we are looking for. Thank you.